Samson Mao, CEO of Jan3, recently shared his views on Bitcoin's future via Twitter. He believes Bitcoin will start its new bull run once it hits the $100,000 mark. Despite recent declines, Mao sees this as an attempt to make retail investors think Bitcoin is over. Bitcoin recently recovered to $66,100, a 5.34% increase, following a 4% drop due to Mt. Gox transferring $6 billion worth of Bitcoin for creditor reimbursements. Exchanges like Kraken are set to distribute these funds soon. Mao predicts Bitcoin will reach $1 million within a year, noting that only about 20% of the Mt. Gox Bitcoin will be sold, with the rest moved to cold wallets. XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger, has surged recently, with its 24-hour trading volume surpassing Solana's. XRP's trading volume reached $3.26 billion, up 47.27%, while Solana's volume was $2.97 billion, up 17.14%. With this rise over 10% in the past 24 hours and 37% in the past week, outperforming most top 30 cryptocurrencies. This spike may be linked to Ripple's potential victory in its SEC lawsuit, which is expected to conclude on July 31st, with penalties possibly under $25 million. Additionally, there are talks of an XRP ETF launch in 2025, and Ripple is entering the stablecoin market with a new US dollar-backed stablecoin known as the RLUSD. And if you're trying to capitalize on XRP as much as possible, you can look into leverage trading. It's also known as margin trading. And there's a crypto exchange called Margex. I have a link down in the description below. And they give you a huge range to play with. And so over here, you can do regular crypto trading. They also have a staking platform for certain cryptocurrencies. They also have the ability to do copy trading, so you can see how other people are performing, and you just provide up your collateral. It's quick and easy, and they even have the ability to get some nice referral bonuses. So if you guys want to check all that out, you can find the link down in the description below. Retired securities lawyer Mark Fagel dismisses rumors that the SEC will settle its multi-year lawsuit with Ripple during the upcoming Sunshine Act meeting on July 18th. XRP community speculated that the SEC might discuss a settlement, as the meeting's agenda includes settlement of administrative proceedings and litigation's claims. However, Fagel humorously noted the repetitive anticipation around SEC meetings, stating that none of the approximately 150 closed-door meetings since the Ripple lawsuit began have led to a settlement. He suggested this meeting would be no different. Despite ongoing settlement rumors, the SEC has not indicated plans to settle, even after a partial defeat in the summary judgment. The lawsuit is nearing its conclusion, with a final decision expected before year-end, but the SEC's next step remains uncertain. And XRP has spiked 10.4%, right, to around 60.5 cents, following a mysterious transfer of 150 million XRP from Ripple to an unknown wallet. This price surge, coupled with a 40% increase in 24-hour trading volume, indicates growing investor interest. Over the past week, XRP has risen over 39%, trending above the 50-day and 200-day SMAs, with potential for an additional 20% gain. Whales injecting $4 billion into the market have supported this rally. And XRP faces overhead resistance at 75 cents. Breaking this could push it to 94 cents. Meanwhile, Bitcoin rose 2.74% to $65,608, eyeing 11% gains to test the $73,000 resistance. Ripple's large transfer has fueled speculation of a potential settlement with the SEC, potentially boosting XRP further if confirmed. And market commentator The 3 Anton suggests that XRP could surpass Ethereum in market capitalization, highlighting XRP's recent bullish momentum. And with its surge, it's one of the top gainers, as I mentioned, as the major cryptocurrencies. The 3 Antons attributes XRP's performance to a larger trend called the wealth transfer. He notes that XRP's strong community supports strong community support and resilience against challenges, predicting that this could drive significant investment and media coverage, leading to a fear of missing out or FOMO effect. Technical analysis reveals potential for an upward breakout, with key support levels holding firm and suggesting increasing investor confidence. And let's go ahead and take a look over here on the Bitcoin price chart. So as you guys can see, we have some more movement. This is on the 1 hour time frame, breaking closer and closer to the mid-level on this Fibonacci sequence. If it can manage to break above the $70,000 level, then clearly we are looking at pushing on that run towards the all-time high, and then of course looking for that $75,000 point. As it is right now, taking a look at that position with the VWAP, we are actually below it. So if we can manage to break above that, that'll be a very strong indicator. Do keep in mind that with the RSI, we have seen some recent volatility with the price, with the movement and volume, I should say, moving up. But it has since cooled down just a tad bit on the 1 hour. Let's go ahead and move this over to the 1 day chart though. And looking at it on a 1 day perspective, we are actually above that VWAP. So from a short time span, has a little bit more to work with or wiggle on the day. But as far as for a longer time span, Bitcoin is holding up quite strong. And let's go ahead and take a look over here for XRP. I'm also going to swap this over to the 1 day time frame. You guys can see some nice dramatic price climbs. This is 3 days of green currently. We did have a little bit of a cool down here back on July 14th as we now eye on the Fibonacci zone up here at around 79 cents. So can it break 75 cents? Can it break 79 cents, that 80-cent level range, and then make its run towards $1? I am personally optimistic, but I would love to get your opinion. And do keep in mind that down here, we can see that that RSI is in the overbought territory. So do have a bit of caution, if you will, and no financial advice. Just keep in mind that this is suggesting the overbought territory. This also, just some additional notes, XRP has been very flat during this market cycle. So with it being one of the top cryptocurrencies, a lot of people have been looking at this, waiting for it to do some kind of a move. And this very well could be that opportunity. So always do your research, make your decisions on your own. Let me know what you guys think about all this. I do have links in the description below if you want to join my socials such as Telegram or Discord. I'd love for you to be a part of those groups. And if you're new, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. If you want to show your support for me and what I do for as little as $1 a month, it's really appreciated. And you can find a link down in the description below. Also, I appreciate my YouTube members for your guys' support. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.